Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Letitia and today we are going to be going into how to create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva.
Okay guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go and open your Canva link on your web browser, and then we're going to type in YouTube thumbnail. When you search YouTube thumbnail, it's going to bring up a ton of different types of thumbnails that you can use that are already pre-made. So just go through and find one that you like and want to use. The nice thing about the pre-made templates is that even if they're not currently your brand colors or the pictures or anything that you want to use, you'll be able to change it all once we start editing it. Alright, let's use this one. Once it loads, we'll be able to change all of the different colors and everything to our brand colors. Oh, and we're gonna switch this girl out for a picture of me. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to swap out this picture of this girl for a picture of me. Let's use this one. Okay, so there is an easy way to get rid of the background. All we need to do is go up to Edit Image, and then we hit Background Remover. Let's make this a little bigger. I wonder if it looks better the other way. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, now I want the photo to pop a little bit more, so what we're going to do is go back up to Edit Image, hit Shadows, Glow, and then we can adjust the glow and the color of the glow. I'd like it to be white. Change the size. Okay. Now it just makes the picture pop a little bit better. This over a bit. Don't need this here, so let's delete that. Why did this move? Change the title. Maybe thumbnail on. Let's look for a Canva logo to add to this. Make this a little bit bigger. And okay, if you want to select multiple elements, you just need to hold the Shift key on your keyboard and you'll be able to drag it all around at the same time. Bentley, lay down, buddy. think we're done. That's all we need to do. So now when we're done, you can either rename the file. Let's do YouTube thumbnail. That's all we're going to rename it as. And then when you want to save it, click share, hit download, and that's it. Now you've got it saved on your computer and you are good to go to load it up to YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials.